Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get ChatGPT on your Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you just need to go to the search bar and then you're going to search for ChatGPT and the ChatGPT will appear right here, and then you just need to join the ChatGPT bot. Here I have joined this ChatGPT, so I just need to open it. Okay, and then just like the other AI, you can ask something to the ChatGPT. For example, I'm going to ask the ChatGPT to create an article for me. Okay. Alright, and we just need to wait for the ChatGPT to respond our command. Okay guys, and this is for the result. As you can see, the ChatGPT has created an article for me. Okay, and that's all the way to get ChatGPT on Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!